So welcome to this session where you are going to learn how to change color of some icons. So I have some icons like this. This logo, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. I have some pictures like this. So let's start with this. We have something like this, and this is black. I want to change it. Anything, any color you want. To do that, you just have to double this layer path, just double this empty space here. Double click to make to give you this. So you come to color. You have this color, but you can only change the color here. Any color you want. You can see, put it on red, put it on blue. You can only change color.
Now you go make am come tomorrow now.
Or if you want to use a gradient, you can change to a gradient. Gradient, you can just change color. And put it, let's say you want to use like red. Maybe this place we're using like just anything you want to use, maybe a darker red. No, a darker red. Any color you want to change, that changes this color. This something like this, so I want to change it just by duplicating this. I'm just going to change for it. Same thing you can do for an icon like this. Double click on this part, give the color, and make it yellow. Very good. So, what of something like this where you want to change color of this component. You can't do that for this because you do something like that for this. Let's give it a color, see what it's going to happen because it's going to give you a feel color. This is not like an icon, this is a full picture to see what is going to happen. So now let's check out this other product like this shoe now. Let's assume I want to change the color, the red color now. Let's want to change another color. You can another color. You double click on this part. On this part and give it the same way we did. So actually have to change everything to this color. So to change it, let's assume I want to change this red color to like blue or green color. That you need to come to this place and add your saturation and you click that. So which color do you want to change this red color? And just this red color because you need to give me just I don't know if you are using Photoshop, but the thing is going to show you this. So simple tips. You means the color you want to change. Saturation means how deep you want it, and light means more light and white. And see when I select my red and change my hue, you can see I can change to any color I want, like blue, green. You can see change all the rest there for me. So I think it's blue, but the saturation is how and see when all the saturation my plan is to so for all the change the saturation is anything
Now you say for one month.
like when it's too like stay like it's something else. So let's change it back to zero. Let's change it back to zero and you can always change this let me change this. Wow, people like legs. We can make it more so much polish reduce your saturation. It just seems like I think I love this blue light so we can do this. I think that really give us what we are looking for. Now the last one we want to change this assume we want to change the color of this guy. Not this color. And of this guy. Not change color of it. Now let's use the same method, the same method of because we cannot give it a feel. Let's assume I will give it a feel here. Let's give a color overlay. See, it's not going to fill it up with this. So what we need to do is now let's try our hue and saturation. We're supposed to use yeah, we need red, you can select your red and change it. But you see, as you are changing it's affecting the color on the page because there are some reds that face also. So to do that, we need to select the parts that we need using this any of our selection tool. Yeah, so I love this quick selection tool. This selection tool. So let's just select the part of it. You just have to drag it. Make sure you didn't select it on. So if you see any place you need to remove and hold Alt to do the brush. This is the brush size. You hold Alt to give you minus value. So when it's plus from increase the size of the brush also. Select all this red. Yeah, select this red. So you can hold Alt to reduce this to take this speed because we don't need this part to change. Yep. So in this part also add this. I'm gonna use this my brush to take this part. Yep. So when I so you cannot duplicate this particular part from this place. You can press Ctrl J. So the Ctrl J you can see select only the parts where we have this. Then you cannot apply your hue and rest saturation. So hold Alt in between these two and click it just to click this hue to this red again. So from there I think now we can change the color.
If I answer for show up,
Wow, it's look nice.
did it for no, I'm dying.
This is
Dog, don't show me. I did.
so that's how to
Yeah, no, you have
so
to.
that's how to
You have
change
to.
the color.
That's how
Photoshop. Thank you.
I know.